Okay fellas, hello. I planned to do a video about this one, but I have the Makita DC18RD double charger, and the problem for this one is that it's not working. So after opening it, I have found the TVR component blown up. So it's a TVR 10471. I'll try to show it maybe like that, and I found two fuses that. So of course, when I was turning on the other charger from this customer, I got all electricity breakers out, and as you can see, I'm testing the fuse is dead. This fuse for the power is dead, and the fuse for the other side is good. So you know that the problem is in the other side, in one side probably. Okay, what I want to do now, I want to replace the fuse here. Okay, let's unsolder it. Maybe a small zoom. This one is getting a little bit hot, so I will put a screwdriver here and we'll try to push it out. Okay, we have the fuse out now. What can we do here? We can try to test the fuse, and completely nothing. Taking the new fuse is good. We'll test the second fuse, is good. So this fuse going out. And now we need to put the new fuse. Okay, I'm getting good luck with moving the old solder. Maybe need to change the tip. Okay, one thing we can do here, we can put the one back. As the leg is in the hole, we can just heat the solder and put the leg in. Now I will try to do the same with the second leg. And okay. Let it cool down, and now we can cut the excess legs and Okay. We have some wires here. I will put the power cord in, and it's a little damage here, but possibly I will change the power cord for this customer later. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to check the fuse is good, so this one is good. What we need to do, we need to replace this fuse, the second fuse. Let's check, probably it's a screw or something here. Okay, now we can leave the board. Of course, we can check for the short circuits here or the corrosion related something. I'm not seeing any of that here. So what we need to remove, we need to remove the TVR and the fuse, so they are here. Doing the same with the fuse. Of course, we can try to test this board, and we will be testing the one side because without the fuse it will not work. Yep, the fuse is dead. I don't know, do you want to test the... Okay, I will remove the TVR too. And then probably we can try to test the board. Okay, it's completely blown out. Why did it happen? I don't know, maybe over voltage or something similar here. Okay, now I need to take the old leg. You can see I even have the old leg of this TVR. Okay, let's check what we can do here. Okay, so probably now we can okay, it's a white one SL1, and it was a fuse protected. So now I think I can try to run the charger because I want to know if the left side is working, and then we will go with this one. Okay, so I had a really strong short circuit with a charger from this customer. Checking the plug. The plug looks good. Okay, let's try to plug it in. If we have the socket, yeah, I have it. Okay, now what we can see, this side is working. I will try to maybe show the lights. The green light is working. So now we only need to put battery in. Yeah, the fan is working and the charger is charging, so okay. For now, it's all we want to know about this one. So now we need to put the TVR and check with the fuse. And once again, I'm putting the legs into the holes and just holding them, and Then I will preheat with a solder. Okay, not getting it right. So, got the TVA in, I will bend the legs, that will help me to hold it in a place. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Cutting excess legs. Now we need to put the fuse. Okay. Let's try to put everything back, and with a big hope that we have fixed it. Let's bring it here. We have 2 screws here, okay. Okay. And what I'm thinking about that I need to turn off the excess lights, because maybe if something will blow, we will see that. Of course I hope that nothing will blow, but okay, sometimes shit happens. Okay, let's see. Nothing exploded. That's a good sign. Yeah, it's charging. Okay, so that's nice. One of the fans is a little bit noisy. Honestly, that's not so big problem. Okay, we have the charger working. Of course, I need to clean it from the dust. And I don't know, that's all. I will clean it, assemble it, and not plan this video. So TVR, the fuse, and let's get to work. Thumbs up, bye.